Welcome to my Speaking of Speech. This course has two goals. First, to provide a fun, teacher-friendly manual for using Speaking of Speech book. Second, to provide guidance for teaching public speaking.
Course description. Course is a series of lessons or lectures on a particular subject. Description is a piece of writing or speech that says what somebody or something is like. The act of writing or saying in words what somebody or something is like. There is more to communication than grammar and vocabulary, listening and speaking. Communication is the activity or process of expressing ideas and feelings, or of giving people information. Grammar is the rules in a language for changing the form of words and joining them into sentences. Vocabulary is all the words that a person knows or uses. Listening is to pay attention to somebody or something that you can hear. Speaking is to use your voice to say something, or to have a conversation with somebody. Shadowing. Shadowing is to follow and observe someone closely and secretly. Shadowing is an English language learning technique where you listen to a speaker and immediately repeat what they say, mimicking their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. It's a great way to improve pronunciation, speaking fluency, and listening comprehension, especially when lacking a speaking partner. Advantages of shadowing. Improved pronunciation. Shadowing helps learners develop a more natural and accurate pronunciation by focusing on the sounds, intonation, and rhythm of the target language. Enhanced listening comprehension. By actively listening and repeating, learners become more attuned to the nuances of spoken English, including connected speech, reductions, and stress patterns. Increased speaking fluency. Shadowing encourages learners to speak more fluently and confidently, as it reduces hesitation and improves their ability to produce spoken language spontaneously. Reduced accent. Regular shadowing can help learners reduce their native language accent and develop a more neutral English pronunciation. Accessible and flexible. Shadowing can be done independently, using readily available resources like podcasts, YouTube videos, and audiobooks, making it a convenient and cost-effective learning method. Reinforces neural connections. Repetition in shadowing strengthens the neural pathways associated with the language, improving memory and comprehension according to LiveXP. Boosts confidence. As learners become more comfortable and proficient with their pronunciation and speaking, their confidence in using English increases. How to shadow effectively. Choose appropriate materials. Focus on pronunciation. Don't worry about understanding every word. Practice regularly. Consistency is key to seeing results. Use various resources. Consider recording yourself. Pathophysiology. Cardiovascular. Disorder. Coronary. Artery. Disease. Atherosclerosis. Hypertension. Pericardial. Effusion. Abnormal. Fluid. Visceral. Parietal. Normal. Heart. Inflammation. Infection. Viral. Coxsackie virus. This course in speech, public speaking, combines grammar, vocabulary, listening and speaking activities with speech skills such as delivery, organization, and visuals. The basics of persuasions will also be introduced. Persuasion, in its essence, is the art of convincing someone to adopt a particular viewpoint or take a desired action. It involves using various techniques to influence another person's beliefs, attitudes, or behaviors. The advantage of understanding persuasion lies in its ability to enhance communication, improve one's ability to influence others positively, and even protect oneself from manipulative tactics. The key basics of persuasion are: 1. Understanding your audience. Tailor your message to resonate with their values, beliefs, and needs. 2. Establishing credibility, ethos. Build trust by demonstrating expertise, fairness, and integrity. 3. Appealing to emotions, pathos. Use language and stories that evoke positive feelings and connect with the audience's emotions. 4. Using logic and reasoning, logos. Present well-supported arguments with evidence and examples. 5. Crafting a clear and concise message. Ensure your message is easy to understand and free of jargon. 6. Utilizing visual aids. Incorporate visuals like charts and graphs to enhance understanding and memory. 7. Being mindful of bias. Recognize your own biases and ensure they don't hinder your ability to present a balanced argument. Advantages of understanding persuasion. Effective communication. Persuasion skills are crucial for clear and impactful communication in various settings, from workplace presentations to everyday conversations. Influence and leadership. Persuasion is a vital tool for leaders to inspire and motivate their teams, fostering a shared vision and achieving organizational goals. Sales and marketing. In sales and marketing, persuasion is used to convince customers to purchase products or services. Critical thinking. Understanding persuasion helps individuals analyze arguments critically, identify manipulative tactics, and make informed decisions. Personal growth. Persuasion skills can improve interpersonal relationships, build confidence, and enhance one's ability to navigate social situations effectively. Avoiding manipulation. Recognizing persuasive techniques can help individuals avoid being misled or exploited by unethical individuals or organizations. Conflict resolution. Persuasion can be used to find common ground and resolve conflicts peacefully.